Hi there guys, my name is Emily Di Cosimo and welcome to Doris CCTV. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ezviz model C3W smart home camera. So here we have it, the Ezviz model number C3W. It is that smart home camera. Now this camera comes with Pro deterrence, and you might be wondering, well, what does this mean? Well, quite simply, this camera has got a motion detection where it can be set to actually target human detection. So if anybody's outside your house, your property, your building, what will happen is it's got a built-in strobe light and an alarm which will then alert you for deterrence, and that will be activated. So let's take a look inside. So you've got your camera, and I'll show you that in more detail in a moment. The white cable to extend the power cable. You've got your screws for mounting and assembly. You've got an Ethernet protector case there, which if you're using this for outdoor use, because it can be used indoor and out, you'll need those, especially if it rains. It's then protected. You've then got your the charger there, as you can see, your cable. You've also got a drill template, which is brilliant for assembling this camera. Then you've got your Ezviz Explore More leaflet alongside your quick start guide. And you've also got a customer support number here. So this Ezviz device connects to 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi only, and if you've got any issues you can contact the customer support, and there's a number there for you, which is brilliant. So let's have a little look at the camera out of the box. So first I'm just going to peel off the protection film like so. Now the C3W is a Wi-Fi camera, so this means that you only need to connect the camera into a power supply, which is provided, as you can see in the box as well, and you've also got those connection points here like so. Now in terms of your Wi-Fi, it does need to be 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and that is why we have included this little card here for you, as I mentioned at the start. If you're having any problems whatsoever, you can contact the Ezviz customer support, and that number and the web address is on the back there. So this is actually available in two models. So you've got the 2 megapixel and the 4 megapixel resolution on the camera there. Now other features are, it's got two-way audio, which is brilliant. So it means that you can record the audio, and the cameras also have this built-in speaker right here, so you can actually record personal messages to ward off your intruders. You've got the microphone just there, as you can see. Also on the camera, you've got the camera itself, then you've got those spotlights, and then those infrared lights either side of the camera. Now you can use this camera either indoors or outdoors, and it is IP66 waterproof. It's made of metal, really strong, really sturdy. Now there's multiple storage options, so you can use an SD card, and this camera can support up to 128 gigabyte micro SD card. It's not included, but this is where it stores that little SD card, and you've also got the reset button there, that little metal cage if you like. Or you can use the encrypted cloud storage. There is a monthly subscription for that, using the Ezviz NVR. Now this has night vision of up to 30 meters, which is brilliant, and the camera here can also provide a full color image during the day or night time, so you are going to get that real crisp, clear imagery when you play back. Now it's got dual antennas either side, as you can see here. There we go, your antennas are here. And with this, the dual Wi-Fi antennas deliver a longer range of Wi-Fi transmitter. It's also got the 360 swivel, that rotator base there. And that's another great feature of this camera, because it means that you can actually adjust the position to where you want it when you actually complete the installation process. Okay, so installation couldn't be easier. So you take your camera, and then you are just simply going to pop your adapter and then pop that into your power supply. then it is advised to download the Ezviz app from the App Store really simply, and then you will need to register. So create a new account, think of an email, your password, or if you have already got an account, you can of course simply just sign in. It's as simple as that. Now, some tools that you may need to actually set up the installation process. You may well need a mallet, a screwdriver, a hammer and a power drill. So then find the location, either indoors or outdoors, that you want to place your camera for where you're going to position it for optimum security. Now this is where your drill template comes in handy. So this is on a sticky bit of paper and I've already taken mine off, but just to show you, you'd simply just peel this off like so, and then pop that on the area where you are going to mount your C3W smart home camera. Now what I love about this is it's actually got those drill holes for you. So it shows you exactly where you need to be drilling. So just to repeat, pop that onto the area or the location where you are going to mount your camera, and then with your power drill, drill those 3 holes on the drill template. Now then, this is where our screws come in. So you've got those little anchors in there as well. If you're drilling to brick or stone, you will need to pop those in the holes that you've drilled first. So once you've got those anchors in, you will then pop your camera. So you'll see the 3 holes, simply line those up with the holes that you've drilled. So 1, 2 and 3, pop the screws in, tighten up, and then of course using that ball mount, that adjustable ball mount, you can adjust how you want your camera to sit. And then of course the last thing to do is to obviously pop it into the power supply, plug it in, making sure of course you have connected it to the Wi-Fi. And that's it. You can then start using your C3W smart home camera by Ezviz.